Welcome to another Get Ready With Me video. Today was wash day, so watch me go from this to this. Yes, honey. So my hair is freshly shampooed with LaFone Cares. And now I'm going to add my 6-in-1 curl pudding, my favorite 6-in-1 curl pudding. So I'm taking LaFone Cares detangling brush and I'm going to detangle the whole head. And now I'm going to apply the 6-in-1 curl pudding. I absolutely love the 6-in-1 curl pudding. I can't say it enough. It does everything I need it to do, especially detangle. Oh my goodness. Dealing with natural hair, you have to detangle properly. And I love finger detangling more than anything. But here we go. I'm making coils. So I'm sectioning my hair with my fingers and I'm just wrapping my hair around my finger to create a curl. And yes, this is my curl pattern without any type of coils and just a 6-in-1 curl pudding. So the best thing to do is to take the 6-in-1 curl pudding and smooth it through the hair. Cover all your cuticles and then twirl it around your finger to create a curl. And I like to do mine's pointer finger size because I'm going to split them later and you'll see that. So I'm doing a little bit more detangling as I get to the top, adding some more 6-in-1 curl pudding. And I'm going to continue to section and twirl, section and twirl. Yes. Look at that. Again, I rave about this 6-in-1 curl pudding. I absolutely love it. Like, only thing I use in my hair. The only thing I use in my hair. I don't use anything else in my hair outside of my LaFone Cares shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm taking that 6-in-1 curl pudding, quite amount of it to make my part. I'm using that as kind of like a gel or a jam or, you know, whatever you want to call it, just to make my part. Now I'm going in and I'm separating. Now my hair has dried some. My roots are still wet, but my tips have dried. So I'm going in and make my little sections to make it fuller. Yes, honey. And you want to do this to play around with your hair to get it to the desired shape that you want, the desired fullness that you want. I like a little frizziness. It just adds, you know, a little pow. So now it's makeup time and I'm applying my moisturizer to my face. And then after we do the moisturizer, we're going to go ahead and just prime the face. Now to see all the products that I use, I have other videos. I'll put them in the description below because I use the same moisturizer, same primer, same eyebrow routine that I use in almost all of my videos. So just check the description below. Again, this is not a tutorial. This is a just run through, get ready with me. So as you see, I'm doing my brows and I'm then going to trace the brow with concealer. Now, if you've seen a ton of makeup tutorials, you kind of know this technique a little bit, but I'm doing a quicker version. I'm using the brush that's attached to my concealer instead of another brush, and I'm taking my fingers. And after I do the concealer, again, I'm going to blend it out with my fingers, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation, which you will see next. This darn dog keep barking outside. Jesus Christ. Now, airplane going past, but it's okay. This is why I love voiceovers. You do what you want. Your brows are the foundation of your face. Forget foundation. Your brows and your foundation. Because your brows shape your face. Your brows can either lift your face, make your face look droopy. Your brows do everything to your face. So making sure that your brows are the correct shape to your liking and measurements to your liking, you'll learn that. Now I'm going to moisturize my lips. I normally do this first, but I had forgot. So I went back after the brows and did this. And now it's foundation time. So again, I have multiple different videos with me explaining what foundation that I use. And I have to mix two foundations because I never can find the right shade. I don't care what foundation I use. I never can find the right shade. So I'm going to use a beauty blender. I don't remember where I got this beauty blender from. It was either Target or Amazon. because those are the only two places I'll buy my beauty blenders. Going in with the same concealer that I shaped my brows with, and I'm only adding a little bit. This is the light beat today. This is not over the top glam for pictures. This is really, really light beat. Like an everyday look if you choose to wear makeup. You know, work in the office. Now with this corona, your house is your office, so you ain't really going nowhere. I'm going to set that with the translucent powder. I'm not a baker girl, so I don't bake. So I don't let it sit for a while. Once I put it on, I brush it off. Setting the rest of my face with the leftover powder that's on the brush. I'm then going to brush off the translucent powder, from underneath of my eyes. I can't talk today. I don't know. I feel like with voiceovers, I ramble a little bit. So when I ramble, my words don't come out properly. Contour time. I love contouring because it just slims my face. Oh, this chunky face. It slims it. And I'm doing a more natural contour today. Around my forehead. Yeah, this big behind forehead. Oh, my forehead's so big. And then we're going to contour the nose. My favorite part. I love contouring the nose. My husband calls it my daddy's nose. He'd be like, yeah, contour your daddy's nose. Because yes, I do have my father's nose. Oh, look at that. Yes, honey. Now it's eyeshadow time. I'm only using one palette. And I don't believe I have a video with this palette, so I'm going to go ahead and mention this palette. It's the Crayon Case, the new Rule 12 Nudes palette. And all the colors came out of this one palette. And as I explained in other videos, when I do my transition color, I then layer and overlap going down towards the lid. So I start off with a reddish brown, then I go in a little darker and a little darker until I get to my lid. And once I get to my lid, I then put on whatever color I choose to. But my brow bone is always a shimmer, some type of shimmer. And on my lid today, I choose to do a shimmer too. Yes, honey. A girl loves shimmer. I love shimmer and glitter and metallics and all that good stuff. Then I'm going to blend that out because I don't like any harsh lines. Again, especially for a natural look, you don't want any harsh lines. Add that shimmer. Look at that. Look at that. Then you're going to take that blending brush and blend out that edge. Yes, Lord. Then I'm going to run a little brown underneath my eyes. Yes. What is that called? Underneath the bottom lash line. And add some shimmer in the tear duct. Moving on to liner. So I'm not going to go extreme with the liner today. It's a short wing with a thin lash line. Nothing too drastic. Nothing at all. Again, this is like a everyday wearable look. Even though, you know, some people go over the top with their everyday wearable look. So it all depends on your personality and what you like. This is what I consider my everyday wearable look. Yes. A slight wing. And I have a hooded lid. So when I do my slight wings, I keep my line very, very thin. Lashes time. I love lashes. Lashes just, same thing but like brows. Brows make the look. I feel like lashes just is that strawberry or that cherry on top of that sundae. You just have to top it. You have to put on lashes. Unless you have your own popping lashes and you could just put a very good mascara on top. You know, if you do, you're lucky. If you're one of those, I praise you, honey, because I don't have no lashes at all. I have none. Like, they're very sparse. So, I need a good lash. Then, my favorite part, highlight. Excuse the middle finger. I didn't realize I was doing that. The highlight is everything to me again. Everything. If I was to do like a no makeup, I would have to do my brows, lashes, some type of lip, and a highlight. I cannot go without a highlight. Even with no foundation, I have to have a highlight, honey. Yes, Lord. Definitely do that Cupid's bow because it makes your lips pop, darling. No matter what lip color you put on, that Cupid's bow, honey. Oh, yes. So I'm just going with the lip gloss today, not a lipstick. And this is the final look. Thank you for sticking it with me. Oops. I forgot my mascara on my bottom lash line as well as to blend my lashes with the lashes. And once I do that, then this is the final look for today. Thank you for joining me on my wash day because, honey, I needed to do something with this hair. And I'm very pleased with it. And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.